Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
In this video, I'll show you how to reverse a video in Filmora. Welcome to this video. My name is David, and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now this video plays like that, and rephrased version. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily reverse a video using Filmora. Welcome, and thank you for joining me. My name is David, and I truly hope you're doing well no matter where you're watching from around the globe. Now, as you can see, the video currently plays in its normal forward direction. But